Look at this, a dull, empty patch of dirt with a rusty ring of stones sitting in the middle of nowhere. Nobody wants to sit here. Nobody wants to gather here. Now look at this, warm string lights glowing above soft seating. Friends laughing around a crackling fire. This is not a fantasy backyard from a magazine. This is the exact same space, transformed with an easy fire pit area makeover. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to turn your boring backyard corner into a cozy focal point that your whole family will fight over. Before we start, a quick and important safety disclaimer. We are working with fire, heat, and outdoor tools in this video. Always follow your local fire codes, keep a fire extinguisher or water source nearby, and never leave an open flame unattended. Now, watch this entire video from start to finish. Do not skip ahead. Every single step matters, because I am going to show you multiple budget-friendly ideas, not just one. If you skip a section, you might miss the exact detail that makes your fire pit area look expensive instead of empty. And if you love backyard transformations like this one, hit that subscribe button right now, because we are turning ordinary yards into extraordinary gathering spaces every single week. Here is something most homeowners never think about. The fire pit is not just a hole with flames. It is the heart of your backyard. Think about it. Every great memory around a fire happens because people feel comfortable enough to stay. If your seating is uncomfortable, if the lighting is harsh, or if the space feels unfinished, people leave early. But when you create a cozy, inviting layout, something magical happens. People linger. Conversations get longer. Marshmallows get roasted. Stories get told. A well-designed fire pit area becomes the single most used space in your entire yard, even more than your patio or your deck. That is why this makeover is not just about looks. It is about creating a focal point that pulls your whole family outside, night after night. Let's talk about what you actually need for this makeover, and I promise you, this will not break your budget. First, you need a defined base for your fire pit. This can be a simple ring of paver stones, a metal fire pit bowl, or even a repurposed steel drum insert. Second, you need ground covering material. Gravel, crushed stone, or sand work perfectly, and all three are inexpensive at any home improvement store. Third, you need seating. This does not mean buying an expensive patio set. Affordable options include stackable resin chairs, wooden benches you build yourself, or even large tree stumps arranged in a circle. Fourth, you need soft textiles. Outdoor cushions, weatherproof throw blankets, and floor poofs instantly add comfort and color. Fifth, you need lighting. String lights, solar path lights, and a few lanterns will completely transform the mood after sunset. Sixth, you need a simple border. Landscaping edging, small rocks, or even railroad tie-style timbers help define the space and keep it looking clean. And finally, basic tools. A shovel, a rake, a level, and work gloves. That is it. Most of these materials cost very little, and many of you probably already have some of them sitting in your garage right now. Now let's talk about the simple design principles that make a fire pit area feel cozy instead of chaotic. This is not complicated science, but understanding it will completely change how your space feels. First, layout. Human beings are naturally drawn to circular and semicircular arrangements. When seating faces inward toward a central point, like the fire, our brains register the space as safe and social. This is why round or U-shaped seating layouts feel more inviting than rows of chairs facing outward. Second, lighting temperature. Warm-toned lighting, anything in the yellow or amber range, triggers a relaxed, comfortable feeling. Bright white lighting, on the other hand, feels clinical and uninviting. That is why string lights and lanterns work so much better than harsh floodlights for a cozy atmosphere. Third, layered comfort. Comfort is not just about a chair. It is about multiple touch points, a soft cushion, a warm blanket, a stable footrest. When your body feels supported in more than one way, your brain relaxes faster. Fourth, enclosure. Spaces that feel slightly enclosed, whether by a low wall, tall plants, or a defined border, feel psychologically safer than open, undefined areas. This is called the sense of enclosure principle in outdoor design, and it is one of the biggest reasons some fire pits feel exposed while others feel like a hidden retreat. Keep these four principles in mind, because every single step coming up is built around them. Let's get into the transformation. I am going to walk you through several easy makeover ideas, so you can pick the ones that fit your yard and your budget best. Start with the base. Clear the area of grass, weeds, and debris in a circle roughly 10 to 12 feet wide. Use your shovel to level the ground as much as possible. A level surface prevents wobbly seating and uneven fire pit placement later. Next, define your fire pit ring. If you are using stone pavers, arrange them in a tight circle, digging each one slightly into the ground so they sit flush and stable. If you are using a metal fire pit bowl, simply place it in the center of your cleared area. Now add your ground covering. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of gravel or crushed stone across the cleared area. This step alone makes a massive visual difference. It instantly upgrades bare dirt into a finished, intentional-looking space. Rake it flat, and even for a clean, polished appearance. Now let's talk seating layout, because this is where the cozy factor really comes in. Idea 1. The classic circle. Arrange 4 to 6 chairs evenly around the fire pit, angled slightly inward. This creates that natural, safe, social feeling we talked about earlier. Idea 2. The bench and stump combo. Place 2 long benches on opposite sides of the fire and fill the remaining space with large wooden stumps as extra flexible seating. This look feels rustic and organic, and it is one of the most affordable options because stumps often cost nothing if you already have fallen trees on your property. Idea 3. The sectional lounge style. If you have a slightly bigger budget, use a small U-shaped outdoor sectional facing the fire, with a low table for drinks and snacks. This creates an outdoor living room feel, perfect for longer evening hangouts. Whichever layout you choose, always maintain a safe clearance distance between your seating and the fire, at least 7 to 10 feet, to keep everyone comfortable and protected from heat and sparks. Now let's add the border. Lay your landscaping edging or small rocks around the outer edge of your gravel circle. This defines the space clearly, separating it visually from the rest of your lawn, and it gives that enclosed, intentional feeling we talked about in the science section. Next, layer in your textiles. Add weatherproof cushions to your chairs or benches. Fold a few throw blankets over the armrests, ready to grab the moment the temperature drops. Toss a couple of floor poofs into open gaps for flexible, casual extra seating. This step alone takes your space from outdoor furniture to cozy retreat. Now for the lighting, and this is where the transformation really comes alive. String your warm white lights along a nearby fence, pergola, or between 2 trees, framing your seating area from above. Place a few solar path lights along your walkway, leading to the fire pit, guiding guests safely and beautifully after dark. Add 2 or 3 lanterns on side tables or hung from shepherd's hooks for extra ambient glow. Finally, add a few finishing touches. A small side table for drinks, a few potted plants near the border for greenery, maybe a simple outdoor rug if your seating sits on a patio surface. These small details are inexpensive, but they are exactly what separates a good fire pit area from a truly cozy, magazine-worthy focal point. Now let's look at the transformation. Remember that dull, uneven patch of dirt from the beginning of this video? Look at it now. A clean, leveled gravel base. A defined stone border that frames the whole space. Comfortable seating arranged in a warm, inviting circle. Soft cushions and blankets ready for cool evenings. And when the sun goes down, watch this. The string lights turn on. The lanterns flicker to life. The fire crackles in the center, casting a warm golden glow across every face around it. This is not just a fire pit anymore. This is a cozy focal point. This is the space your family will choose over the couch, over the television, over screens. This is where memories actually happen. And the best part, this entire transformation was done on a realistic, beginner-friendly budget without hiring a single contractor. Before you head out to start your own makeover, let's go over some important safety and maintenance points. Always check your local regulations regarding open fires and fire pit placement before you begin. Keep your fire pit at least 10 feet away from your house, fences, overhanging branches, and any flammable structures. Never use gasoline or other flammable liquids to start or maintain your fire. Keep a fire extinguisher, bucket of sand, or garden hose within reach at all times. Never leave a lit fire unattended, and always fully extinguish it before going inside for the night. Clear away dry leaves, twigs, and debris from the surrounding area regularly, especially during dry seasons. For long-term maintenance, sweep ash and debris out of your fire pit base after each use. Reapply a fresh layer of gravel once or twice a year, since it can settle or shift over time. Store your cushions and blankets indoors or in a weatherproof bin when not in use to extend their lifespan. Check your string lights and lanterns seasonally to make sure wiring stays safe and weatherproof. Following these simple habits will keep your cozy focal point looking beautiful and functioning safely for years to come. And there you have it. A complete, easy fire pit area makeover that transforms any backyard into a warm, cozy focal point without spending a fortune. We covered the layout, the lighting, the seating, and the small details that make all the difference. Your backyard does not need to be big, and it does not need to be expensive to become the favorite spot in your entire home. It just needs a little intention, and now you have the exact blueprint to make it happen. If this video helped you picture your own backyard transformation, smash that like button right now. Drop a comment and tell me which seating idea you are most excited to try. The classic circle, the bench and stump combo, or the lounge-style sectional. And if you want more budget-friendly backyard makeovers just like this one, make sure you are subscribed and tap that bell icon so you never miss the next transformation. Next time, we are tackling another backyard upgrade that is just as easy and just as affordable. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. See you in the next video.